A typical day in HVAC, you come in and it's either two things. You either go out in the workshop or you go into class. In class, it's mostly book work or we're learning about what you're going to do out in the shop and basically just getting to know what you're going to be using and touching throughout the day to make sure you don't get hurt.
And when you get out into the shop, you would have to wear safety glasses. HVAC is taught at the high school, but it's actually a MHS class. So I'm getting 2 credits, one for the high school and one for the tech.
And then there's 3 courses with that. There's the heating, the air conditioning, and then the electrical part.
I decided to take HVAC because it was a new class that the high school offered and I thought it sounded interesting. And once I took it, it gave me a new possibility for my future.
Same with me. I wanted to take this class because it was a new class. I've got to learn a lot of new stuff that I could use for a job one day.
In HVAC, the intro to refrigerant, I learned to pull out refrigerant.
And then in the electrical part side of it, that course, I got to learn how to wire and make everything work. All right, and here's one of the pieces that we use in class that teaches us how to find faults in a system, and our teacher can set different faults into it, and then you use a meter to be able to figure it out, and this is for the electrical part side of it.
This is another piece of equipment in HVAC that we use to troubleshoot everything. And you would find this in places like Walmart, Food Line, or Ingles. It basically cools down your food.
And this thing can be shown like if the compressor's not running, it won't cool as good. If the fan speeds, like if one of these are clogged or something, it won't run as good. There's like filter dryers and stuff that you can see if something's messed up. You should take this class because you can learn a lot in this class and take that into the real world. As a 10th grader, you can learn a lot between 10th and 11th grade, majority of it. And at that point, then they have a program where you can go out and work with a company.
You can also go into residential and commercial. And since in HVAC, you learn the basics of electrical, you can go into to become an electrician.